Part of the northern Sporades Islands, around 180 kilometers from Thessaloniki, and it's so
And this is why I have to have some gutters installed. I'm looking into getting the gutter installation done because all of this water needs some place to go. And over time, what it'll do is will possibly get into the foundation and erode the foundation of the house. And I've only been here a couple of years, so I'm going to go ahead and try and get ahead of it by getting a gutter system put in that takes all that water off and out of the trenches here, creating the trench and funneling it either out to the curb or into a rain barrel system so I can hang on to some of the water if I ever needed it to do some plants that are in the future. There's another, you can see it's all around the house, all around the front, where a gutter system, or even in this area, putting in a nice plant box that'll suck up all that extra water. It's desperately needed. So I'm hoping that some of the content that I create here on YouTube can help to fund that gutter system being put in place. But I know I haven't gotten a quote yet, but what I'm going to think about doing is having it done on the areas where east and west, or north and south of the house, whatever the guy or the installer, whatever he says, where it should be placed at. And I'm just going to go ahead with that and get a good amount of estimates and see how much it'll be, and work here on YouTube to get that installed. I don't think I'll get it done before this hurricane season. More than likely, I would like to have it done by next hurricane season, because this one it's just too short of a season for me right now to get it done. It's already in the hurricane season as it is, started on June 1st, and of course it ending on November 1st, or whenever Mother Nature decides to end the hurricane season here in Florida. But as you can see, for the front curve there, what happens is even during Hurricane Milton, the water level was able to be pushed out the curb, down the curb, and into the culvert on the other side of the little embankment there. But during Milton, the water really built up to where it came up onto the lawn just about, and almost came into the house. It didn't make it into the house, God willing, and the house, we lived through it with no problems. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and close this little video out of what the main project I need to get done to this house, being the gutter system installation. Like, comment, share, and if you please share the video. And if you have any expertise or know anybody with expertise about gutter systems, let me know in the comments. It's really appreciated. Take care and wait till the next one.